Hey, how's it going? I'm Alex, and today I want to show you this mattress or sofa vacuum cleaner that this brand sent to me for this video. I have to say, I'm going to try it out for the first time with you guys here, but I can tell two things already. Number one, it comes with a really long cable, so I do appreciate that because some of the other ones that I tried before that I don't have them anymore because they were not super good, they came with a really short cable. This is a long cable. The other thing is that this one, it's super, not super heavy, but it's heavier than the ones that I tried before, which means that actually translates into good quality because I do trust with something that requires this amount of power, which is, by the way, either 16 kPa or 16,000 PA suction power, which is way more than the ones that I tried before. They were like 12,000 or 13,000. So this is way more than it was before. 500 watts and also super easy cleaning system, which is this container right here. You're going to take it out. You're going to kind of like throw all the trash or all the cat hair. We have 4 cats, by the way, and you can just like rinse and repeat. We're going to connect it to the cable right here and let's see how that goes. Okay, I'm seeing that right here you have different modes, which this button right here is going to select the modes, which it can be the tap or the UV light or just the vacuum. So we're going to put it in the regular mode and we're going to do this one and this one. And let's see how that goes. Probably I'm going to fast forward this just a little bit. Let's go. Okay, this was just... You saw that was probably like 30 seconds or a minute and already grabbed all that pet hair that it was not visible, but it was visible to the eye of this beast right here. This is fantastic. I was not expecting this one to be this good, but it packs power. This is corduroy, so you can see that it has too many lines, so the cat hair gets in between the lines. You can see the difference right now, just the before and after. This is just not, it's better than I expected. I like it, and I heavily recommend this one. If you have cats or dogs, I do recommend this one 100%.